Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my channel. It's Solishy, and today we are going to be doing or cooking a delicious njansasauce from Cameroon. Thank you very much. If today is your first time, or if this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for stopping by and for supporting me. So let's go and cook the sauce. Let's just dive into it. So right now I'm just going to be showing you the ingredients that we are going to be using. So we have ginger, garlic, ginseng, of course, red onion, and I will be using the red onion. I will grind the red onion with the other spices, with every other thing, and then the white onion will be the one I'm going to fry before putting in our ingredients. We also have some white pepper, some black pepper, Peber, which is known as African on milk, and some dry thyme, and eye matches. And please, for the eye matches, you want to be very careful not to put too much. So I just took 3. I don't know how they call it in English. I took 3 because if you put too much, it's going to be bitter. And we are also going to be using some habanero pepper and some fresh tomatoes for our recipe, and of course seasoning cube which I didn't put on the board there, and also salt. So those are the things that we'll be needing for our recipe. I'm just going to blend everything together, and yeah, we'll be needing some oil also. And then I know by now you'll be wondering, oh, so what are we going to use these ingredients to cook? Are we going to use fish or meat? So we are going to be using tilapia fish. Tilapia fish. Sorry, I called bar fish because that's the one that we often use it in Cameroon. So I'll be using the red tilapia fish because that's what I love. So now I'm going to just put all the ingredients in the blender and blend everything together. I'm very sorry how this part looks like. It's just because the camera played the wrong one on me. So after blending all the ingredients, I'm just going to put them in the fish, and I will mix everything together until it is well mixed and well combined. And note, at this point, you just want to use just a little bit of water to rinse your blender. You don't want to add too much water in it because you want it dry. I'm also going to be adding my seasoning cubes right now. I am not going to add salt because I already seasoned the fish yesterday before doing it today, because I knew that I was going to cook today, so I already added some salt. So in order for me not to add too much salt in my food, I would just put just the seasoning cube. And at this point, I will mix everything together, and I'm going to taste it to know if everything is okay. You can actually taste it down, because this sauce, you want to mix everything down except oil, because that's already the sauce. So this is how you mix everything together after blending. And then after that, you want to put a pot on the fire and add in some vegetable. After adding the vegetable oil, you want to let it warm for a while, and then you add your onions and let it fry also a little bit, and then you can add your sauce. So you want to put the fish one after the other into the oil. You don't want to put everything together, and you also want to stir it gently. So because I am not using the non-sticking pot, I was very careful. So you also want to, at this point of time, you want to cook your meal, or you want to put it on a very low heat. So my heat, the highest is 3, and at this point I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes, and then I will be shaking it. So the reason why I shake it like this is because I don't want to stir it too much, and because I don't want my fish to get scattered. So that's why I shook it like that. So this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. So delicious, so yummy. So once again, you can see how it looks like. Our sauce is almost ready. Like I said, you can eat it with anything, with yam and with rice also. So you see, our sauce is ready. Thank you very much if you've watched till this point. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this cooking. And please leave a comment below, comment, like, and share, and let me know in the comment section below how you cook your own. Thanks once again for staying till the end, and I will see you in the next video.